Here we will see Crystal Report Viewer Control in C Sharp. In order to view a Crystal report, you must add a Crystal Report Viewer Control in your application. It works as a container of a report and allows user to view a Crystal report in Windows and web applications. Crystal Reports for Visual Studio .NET provides two report viewers. One is Windows Form Viewer. This control is used for Windows application accessed through Crystal Decisions.windows.forms.crystal report viewer class. And second is Web Form Viewer, which is used for website accessed through Crystal Decisions.web.crystal report viewer class. The Crystal Report Viewer control is used in .NET Framework to bind to and display the reports. The default Crystal Report Viewer control includes UI elements to assist in viewing, saving, and navigating through a report. The Crystal Report Viewer class defined in a Crystal Decisions.windows.form namespace represents a Crystal Report Viewer for Windows Form. This class is a user control and can be used as any other user control. This control is available in the toolbox and you can simply drag it to add the control to the form. This is the basic layout of Crystal Report Viewer control. Different properties for Crystal Report Viewer controls are: first is name, which is used to get or set name of the control. Dock property is used to get or sets which control borders are docked to its parent control and determines how a control is resized with its parent. Enable property is used to get or sets a value indicating whether the control can respond to user interaction. Report source property is used to get or sets a report name that we are going to display in the Crystal Report Viewer. Show close button property displays or hides close button on the toolbar. Show logo property displays or hides Crystal Report logo. Show export button displays or hides export button. This button is used to save the Crystal report to another file format such as RPT, PDF, DOC, XLS or RTF file. Show go to page. This property displays or hides go to option for moving to a particular page. It allows you to type in the page number to view. Show page navigation button displays or hides page navigation button. This button allows you to select next, previous, last or first page to view. Show print button displays or hides print button. This button prints the Crystal report to a PDF file or it calls the print dialog box. Show refresh button displays or hides refresh display. Show text search button displays or hides text search button on the toolbar. This button allows you to type in a string you want to search for in the report. Show zoom button displays or hides text search button on toolbar. This button allows you to select the zoom factor for the report. Size property gets or sets the height and width of the control. Use wet cursor get or set a value indicating whether to use the wet cursor for the current control and all child controls. Visible property is used to get or sets a value indicating whether the control and all its child controls are displayed. Different methods for Crystal Report viewers are: export report gives you dialog box to save the Crystal report with different file format. Hide method hides the control from user. Print report method opens printer dialog box to select printer for printing report. Refresh method refreshes the Crystal report. Show method displays the reports to the user. Show first page method. While opening report display, this method shows the first page by default. Show last page. While opening report, it displays the last page by default. Show next page. Displays next page from the current page. Show nth page. While opening report, display the nth page. Show previous page displays previous page from current page.